All right, guys. I know maybe you know about it already, and if you don't know, that would be crazy. But if you're in the tech industry, you know for sure that Anthropic, they rolled out the new model, the most intelligent model to date, and it's Claude 3.7 Sonnet. So today in this video, we are going to talk about this model. We're going to test it. We're going to see what it does, and we're going also to talk what it means for you guys. So that's why I'm making this video, because there's so many things happening in the AI industry. Last week I was trying to learn more about Grok with XAI, the Elon Musk AI company, and its implications for developers or people in tech or in our daily lives. And as I was learning about it, now Claude came out with the Claude 3.7 Sonnet model. So I'm going to talk about it in this video, and let's dive right in. So what happened? As you can see here, Anthropic introduced, let me do that. So Anthropic introduced Claude 3.7 Sonnet. So they said that's the most intelligent model to date, and it's like DeepSeek R1 or GPT-o3 models. It's able to reason, right? So when they say reasoning, it's like thinking step by step, having iterative thinking model instead of just outputting responses the way the previous models were doing. So as you can see here in this video, you just enter a prompt. So after entering the prompt, it will start thinking. If you have been using O3 or DeepSeek, you will see that they do similar things, and the responses are more thoughtful, are more deep, and are more detailed, I would say. So that's the beautiful thing, and I even tried it. As you can see here, I prompted something, and as you can see, it started to let me understand the situation, blah. So it's not like it tries to just give me an answer. No, it will try to now understand the situation, try to analyze, try to have a kind of auto conversation with itself, and that's just beautiful, I think. And how do you do to now test those kind of things? How do you compare the 3.7 Sonnet model to other models in the market? And I think about Grok 3, DeepSeek R1, and the O3 of OpenAI. And you can go to benchmark website, and benchmark website are basically websites that compare different models regarding different criteria. It can be in coding, mathematical problem solving, multilingual reasoning, I would say capabilities, many stuff like that. So you have the SWE benchmark, and as you can see, they didn't show yet the 3.7 Sonnet what it stands for, but just look at the leaderboard here. You can see that the Claude 3.5 Sonnet is alright. It's already one of the best on the market. So as you can see here, Anthropic said that the 3.7 Sonnet is literally crushing the previous model, the 3.5, in every area. You have the agentic coding, you have the multilingual, you have the visual reasoning, okay, the math problem solving. It's just crushing the 3.5 Sonnet everywhere, right? So just imagine right now, the 3.5 Sonnet is, if not the best model in the market. Just imagine where the 3.7 will stand. I think it will be maybe the best, simply the best. And when you go to the web dev arena leaderboard, you will see that 3.5 Sonnet is the best actually, and you still have DeepSeek R1, all 3 mini, they are there already, but you have 3.5 crushing them. So if 3.7 is better, as Anthropic says, man, I think it's the best model right now. And the 3.5 Sonnet was already the baby of the preferred choice for developers. So I think that will really make it more clear to everyone that everyone will go with the 3.5 Sonnet for coding. So that's what they say. But they said also something else, that they're releasing an agentic coding tool that is Claude Code. Sorry for my English. But what it is, when you go to the website, when you go to the documentation, you will see that they say it's an agentic coding tool made by Anthropic, all right? And it lives in your terminal, understands your code base, and helps you code faster through natural language commands. By integrating directly with your development environment, Claude Code streamlines your workflow without requiring additional servers or complex setup. So again, it can do the following: editing files and fixing bugs across your code base, answering questions about your code's architecture and logic, executing fixing tests, linting, and other commands. All right, searching through Git history, resolving merge conflicts, and creating commits and PRs. Man, that's crazy. And I tried and I was late, I guess, because I wanted to wait and do that on live with you guys. But right now they are experiencing high demand, so they have paused the signups. But you can literally install Claude with npm, and then you can just run Claude to launch. You complete the authentication, and then you can go to the different features, right? So you can ask a question: how does our authentication system work, right? Or you can do Claude commit, right? You can do Claude fix the type errors in the auth module. There are many things you can do. You can initialize a project with Claude. There are many things you can do, and it's in beta right now. It's in beta, so I can't wait for that to roll out fully, completely to the whole customer base, and that would be crazy. And I genuinely think that if they do if it does what they say it's going to do, that would be crazy. I really don't think that Cursor, tools like Klein, or even tools, the fact that people talk about vibe coding, I don't think it will be a thing. I think that will be beautiful. I don't think I will keep using Cursor actually. I don't know. I would need to really test and try and see what's going on with both tools, but I can't wait to work with that in the terminal. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Just let me know what you think in the comment sections. And man, I see you in the next video. Never forget, always learn. Ciao.